Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to cover how you can measure an app with Matomo using Mendix. This given tutorial could be applied to any technologies, I would say, out there. And the idea is the following one, is like when you are a Matomo analytics consultant, you are receiving sometimes some demands about is it possible to integrate Matomo into this given platform, and as this platform may not be that much used, you have no idea if that's going to work or not. So here my piece of advice is always look on the web about is there an integration for Google Analytics and the name of the platform. The reason is that if Google Analytics succeeded in putting technology within this given platform, then high chances that it's possible as well for Matomo. I know that's probably not the best way to search for it because Google Analytics is a competitor to Matomo, but that's definitely the way I'm trying to go. It's efficient, and then straight away you see a documentation. So in the case of Mendix, so Mendix is a platform on which you can put your code in. It's a no-code platform, and then it's going to issue apps for either iOS or either for Android. And I had no clue about this before starting my investigation, and then I have by chance a colleague of mine who told me that there's a marketplace for this platform named Mendix, and then on the platform in itself you have something which is called JavaScript snippets, something like this, which allow you, as its name stands for it, to embed some JavaScript within an app in Mendix. So typically if you look for JavaScript, so here you get plenty of them, and the one that I decided to use is called this one, JavaScript snippet. So in fact you have lots of possibilities to integrate JavaScript into the app. So this is what I did. So I went over here on the marketplace. I click on the cart, it opened the marketplace. Here I'm using a software which is named Studio Pro from Mendix. It's not software that you can use on the SAS. You need to have either a Mac or either Windows in order to be able to install it. So that's what I did. I have a Windows machine. I installed on it the Studio Pro, and then you can get an access to the marketplace. With the access to the marketplace, you can pick up the JavaScript module, which is the one that we can see here. So for some reason, I don't know, but I cannot access it anymore. And then once I got it, I was able to drag and drop it into my project. And so this is the JavaScript snippet that I inserted here. It's the container of Matomo Tag Manager. So my idea is like, hey, if I can insert the container of Matomo Tag Manager, then after all, I will be able to deploy any tracking code that I want within it. What I did after that is that I created a blank app project, which issued me the following page with some contents. And that was already enough in order to get started. So then I just click over here on run, and I run the app. It's automatically creating a local server on my machine so that I can already start to play with it. So typically here, as you can see, I'm able now to play with it. I can make some clicks and it's going to push me the data to my Matomo, as you can see here. I did as well a scroll reach. And then when it comes to my tag manager, so in fact I dealt with it so as any other project. So as you can see, I did a click tracking, a page view, a scroll tracking, and as a result you can view your data exactly in the same way as for a website. It does not change much. At the beginning I didn't know why, but the container wasn't working the way I expecting. So here you can see all my clicks get recorded, and I get my scroll as well from time to time when I scroll. So typically, yes, you can with Matomo track an app which is made with Mendix. It's going to be, let's say, the same thing somehow as a website, so it's always better to double check So here I'm not 100% sure if we need to implement a proper measurement plan with the data layer and measuring the click, because what I saw was like it needed some time to double check and make the quality assessment when we insert specific IDs within the text here or there. But I guess that should be doable, and that should not have any much difference between tracking an app with Mendix and tracking a website. So I repeat once more as a conclusion, if sometime you are facing such a project, what you need to do first is look for, is there a possibility to integrate it with Google Analytics? If the answer is yes, high chances that it's possible with Matomo. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.